Now write down the basic rule of passive voice. It has got two requirements. The first letter, whatever is the first letter, has to have dhamma. In the past tense, in the Madi, first letter has to have dhamma. And the middle of the root letter, that is ain letter, middle of the root letter has to have a kasra. First letter, dhamma, and middle of the root letter letters must have a kasra. Now you can verify in all these cases. Is it so? Dhamma, kasra, dhamma, kasra, dhamma, kasra, dhamma, kasra, and dhamma, kasra.
You use middle, you don't use the second word.
It is not the second letter. It has to be the second of the root letters. In this case, that is the second two, but in the longer ones, the principle is the second of the root letter should be in the kasra form, in kasra. Have to have kasra.
But that's what I mean, should be second, not just the middle. No. Because the fourth one.
Not middle. Second of the root, not of the total word. I give you example. A'lama, he informed. Past tense is a'lama, he informed. But he is informed is u'lima. No? This is the middle of the root letters. If you say middle, these two are middle. So middle of the root letters have to have kasra. Root letters are ain, lam, mim. Hamza is not the root letter, it's an additional letter. For passive madare, the alamatul madare should be having a dhamma. Ya, ta, hamza and noon are alamatul madare. Alamatul madare will have a dhamma, and middle of the root letter will have a fatha. This combination will make passive madare. Madare majhul.
One more time, please. The rule for this passive madare.
The alamatul madare, ya, ta, hamza and noon, yatlavu, yaqtulu, taqtulu, taqtulu, aqtulu, nafulu. So hamza, ta, ya and noon are alamatul madare. Alamatul madare will have dhamma, and the middle of the root letter will have fatha. You know, in the chart of madare, alamatul madare changes. But you remember? I said fixed value. Whatever is in the beginning, the harakat of alamatul madare will continue from top to bottom. But alamatul madare itself will change. Here we are talking about the harakat of alamatul madare. So, if this is yuqtala in the first, it will continue yuqtala, tuqtala, uqtala, nuqtala, yuqtalane, tuqtalane, 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 yuqtaluna, yuqtalna, tuqtaluna, tuqtalna, and tuqtalina. I said you about Madi one thing. Do you remember? A few things I told about the verb Madi. One of them was it is unchanged. Do you remember that? Madi has got no alteration whatsoever. As compared to that, Madare has got many alterations. Now you study the alterations of Madare.
Any what?
Madi, past tense, doesn't change. Where fail Madare will undergo alterations, many. Alterations. Alterations of Madare.
Yes.
Alterations of Madare. No, not yet. But I said you must have number of blank charts now to fill in. The 14 boxes chart. Alterations of Madare. Alterations of Madare. There are basically 4 alterations. This is the normal Madare. Normal Madare. Then you have a light Madare. Then you have a lighter Madare. You have a heavy Madare. And then you have a heavier Madare. Most of the people of grammar have not used this terminology, mind you. So, this may be an alien terminology for you. You can fit in the other terminology which they have used. But this is easy to understand this way. Do you remember what caused the noun become heavy and light? Noon, right? So according to that, actually this terminology has been adopted. When you will add a noon, it will become heavy. You have 2 noons, noon with tashdeen, it will become heavier. You will remove noon, it will become lighter. Light, and you will further lighten it, it will become lighter. Okay? First we come with the light Madare. Light Madare. Light Madare. This was the third person. Ghaib. This was the second person. Hadir. And this was the first person. Mutakallim. Mutakallim. So that's what the masculine, and this was the feminine. This was the masculine, this was the feminine. This is Wahid, Muthanna, and Jama'. Wahid, Muthanna, and Jama'. So Wahid was Yansuru?
Yes.
Yansuru. Yansuru. Here it was tansuru. Again it was tansuru. This was tansurina. Ansuru, nansuru. Sorry, ansuru and nansuru. Ansuru and nansuru.
First one is Yansuru, but
I'm sorry. Yansuru, tansuru, tansuru, ansuru, nansuru, tansurina. And then you have yansurani. Yansurani. Yansurna. Yansurna. Sorry, Yansuruna, I'm sorry. Tansuruna. Yansurani, Yansurani. Tansurani, I'm sorry. Tansurani, Tansurani.
feminine second person you wrote Tansurina.
पेशा बढ़िया बाल है उस्ताद
जी
पेशा बढ़िया बाल है कितनी पेशी है
Yansurani, Tansurani, Tansurani, Tansurani.
Yansuruna, Yansurna.
Yansuruna, Yansurna. Now to make madare light, what do you have to do?
We remove the noon.
The noon similar to the noon of Arab. It's not, there is no Arab in verb. Arab is only in ism. But the noon similar to that of Arab. Muslimani, Muslimuna. Right? You remember that? Muslimani, Muslimuna. This noon will be dropped to make it light. And also make a change here. The form ending at Dhamma of the root letter, replace it with Fatha. So in different color put Fatha here. Now the chart comes up to be Yansura, Yansura, Yansuru, Tansura, Tansura, Yansurna, Tansura, Tansura, Tansuru, Tansuri, Tansura, Tansurna, Ansura, Nansura. Now, I told you a rule. whenever there's a masculine plural form ending at vav. Remember that?
There's an alif there.
There's an alif there. Now add that alif here. With a different color. This is called sign of masculine plural. Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu udkhulu, etc., etc. No, this also is of the same shape. Ina, una, ina, una, ina. So make a change here too. So vertically it will be Yansura, Tansura, Tansura, Ansura, Nansura, Yansura, Tansura, 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 Yansuru, Yansurna, Tansuru, Tansurna, and Tansuri. So this is the altered form of Madare to the light Madare. Now the uses of light Madare. Next, write down in wording 2. To convert a Madare to a lighter form, to light form, sorry. To convert a Madare to light form, number 1, the forms ending at root letters, the forms ending at root letter. You know, this one, Yansuru, Tansuru, Ansuru, Nansuru. Change the Dhamma, change the last Dhamma to Fatha. Change the last Dhamma to Fatha to get Yanusura, Tanusura, Anusura and Nansura. लिख लें बेशक, write down. To get Yanusura, Tanusura, Anusura, Nansura. Because most of you, I don't see they have colored pens, so that will be confusing for them if you do cutting there with the same color. So write down here the forms ending at the root letter, change the last Dhamma with Fatha to form Yansura, Tansura, Ansura and Nansura. Number 2, the forms ending at a form similar to ending at a form similar to i'rab of Musanna and plural masculine. Musanna and plural masculine.
Can you repeat that, please?
Yes, what did you write?
I wrote the form ending and a form similar to i'rab
Of Musanna and plural masculine of ism.
Plural masculine
Of ism.
of ism.
Drop the noon. Put colon and then drop the noon. To to drop the noon to get, अब दूसरी फॉर्म भी लिखने, to get yansura, tansura, yansuru, tansuru, and tansuri. To get tansuri here, feminine. Yes.
What was the second one? I got the forms ending with a form similar to with the plural masculine.
Of is
Of ism. So ane, una, inina sounds are the in ism muslimani, muslimuna, muslimina. So drop this noon. To get yansura, tansura, yansuru, tansuru, and tansuri.
no, they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Tansuri तीन दफा आ रहा है ना, एक दफा बोलो बस.
Oh yeah.
To get yansura, tansura, yansuru, tansuru, and tansuri. Madare. Number 3, both the plural feminine forms will remain unchanged. Both the plural feminine forms would remain unchanged. Both the madare feminine form, plural feminine form would remain unchanged. Next, uses of light madare.
Say it again. Say it again. Repeat it.
Uses. You know, we have made the form. What's the use? Uses. Uses of light madare. Arabs definitely have to have some purpose behind. So let's see what use they make of it.
After plural feminine will remain unchanged.
Uses of
Yansurna and Tansurna, they remain unchanged. Both the forms of plural feminine, you can write that is i.e. Yansurna and Tansurna remain unchanged. Thank you. Good suggestion. Uses of light madare. That none, will never, will, shall, never. Kai, in order to, so that, in order to. Idhan, then, An, lan, kaidan. What is meant by an? Ataqtuluna rajulan ay yaqula rabbi Allahu. Ay yaqula, not yaqulu. When Pharaoh consulted his chiefs that why not to kill Musa? Zaruni aqtul Musa. Allow me to kill Musa. Qala rajulun mu'minun min ali fir'auna yaktumu imanahu ataqtuluna rajulan ay yaqula rabbi Allahu. Do you want to kill a man just because that he says Rabbi Allahu, my Lord is Allah. So an caused yaqulu to become yaqula.
لن يجعل الله للكافرين على
Next is lan. Beautiful hadith. Note it down. Rasulullah sallallahu lan tadkhulul jannata. Lan tadkhulul jannata. La tadkhuluna. Lan tadkhulul jannata hatta tu'minu. Hatta, here it is supposed, hatta is harful jar, but it is supposed that there is an not written but in meaning. Hatta ke. In Urdu we have hatta ke tum, hatta tu'minu, until you believe. Walan tu'minu, not tu'minuna. Walan tu'minu hatta tahabbu. All lighter madare. Hatta tahabbu. Avala adullukum. Avala adullukum. This is normal madare. Dalla yadullu. Lan tughniyanum amwaluhum wala auladuhum. Avala adullukum ala shay'in. Ala shay'in in taf'aluhu. This is lighter madare. We'll come to that later. In
Do you remember which surah it is? Is it hadith? Hadith.
hadith. Awala adullukum ala shay'in in taf'aluhu. In taf'aluhu tahabbabtum. Tahabbabtum. Afshu salama bainakum. Going up. Afshu salama bainakum. Afshu. Sorry. Afshu as-salama bainakum.
Also light mudara?
नहीं नहीं वो अमर है. Lan tadkhulul jannat. You will never enter paradise hatta tu'minu, until you believe. Walan tu'minu, you will never believe hatta tahabbu, until you love each other. Avala adullukum ala shay'in, should I not guide you to something? In taf'aluhu, if you practice it, tahabbabtum, you will start loving each other. Afshu salama bainakum. Spread among yourselves salam. Assalamu alaikum, assalamu alaikum, assalamu alaikum. You start loving each other. जी.
You wrote here in tafalu. So in and an is the same
No.
because here we don't have in. We have only an lal kaidan.
या इन हो रहे ना, वो आएगा. वो अगला कह रहे हैं ना, अगला है लाइटर मदार है.
Yeah.
Okay, so in one hadith you get 3 examples, 2 times lan and 2 times hatta.
So
Hatta
what we call
is actually hatta an. An is not mentioned because hatta itself is harful jar. Bao tao kafu lamu hau wow mundu mudkhala rubba asha minada fi anala hatta ila. So hatta is an amil, the one who acts on ism. So it has nothing to do with verb. So it's assumed that there is an after hatta which is not mentioned. By meanings it's there. Kai is in order to, so that likai la tasaw ala ma fatakum in the morning prayer this time, there today.
kaila tabu.
likai la tasaw ala ma fatakum wala tafrahu bima atakum. Both 2 times in the same ayah. Likai la tasaw, so that you don't despair at what you lose, what passes away from you. Wala tafrahu, and you don't boast bima atakum, on what Allah has blessed you with.
kaila yakuna dawlatan bainana.
Kaila yakuna dunatam bainal aghniyai minkum, Surah Al-Hashr. And many other examples you will get from the Quran. Kai nusabbihaka kathiran, not nusabbihu. Musa alayhi salam, when requests Allah Almighty to appoint Harun alayhi salam also as messenger, what he says? Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli waj'al li waziran min ahli Harun akhi ushdud bihi azri wa ashrikhu fi amri kai nusabbihaka kathiran wa nazkuraka kathira innaka kunta bina basira. Inshallah, when you will be in Arabic and you will enjoy reading Quran. Now, uses of lighter madare. To convert the madare to lighter form,
Lighter form. The last 2 letters.
the last letters of the forms ending at root letter
Okay.
should be given sukoon,
Okay.
and the rest same as light. Now its uses. Number 1, in for condition.
Now we have the uses of a lighter mudar.
Lighter madar. Uses of the lighter madar. First of all, in conditional.
Into dhakir
In for condition.
tanja.
You would write the meanings of in as if. You know, in English, the conditional sentences start with if. If you go, I'll join you.
In kuntum tuhibbun Allah fattabi'uni Allah.
In conditional. In for condition. If. Then remember, under that, in, if, then write down a note here. Both the segments of the conditional sentence will have a lighter madare. Both the segments of the conditional sentence would have lighter madare. You understand what you mean by both the components of the madare, lighter of the sentence? You know, conditional sentence, one is condition and one is the response to that condition. If you will go, I will join you. So the first is conditional and I will go with you is the response to that condition.
say both of them have that one?
The lighter madare. In both the components of the conditional sentence, you would use a lighter madare. In both the segments of the conditional sentence, you know, in English there is very special about this too. What is that? Do you remember? The conditional part is in the present tense. If you go, I'll go. Although it's related to the future, but the rule of the language is that the conditional part is in the present tense. If you go, I'll join you.
We don't use then?
Not necessary. So the best example of this is in tansurullaha yansurkum. In tansurullaha in tansurullaha, if you help Allah, yansurkum, He would help you. You see this? Here is the lighter form and here is the lighter form. In tansurullaha yansurkum. This tansuru is this. In tansuru, look. In tansurullaha, in tansuru allaha. So Allah is the object. So that's the nafas form. And the file, the doer are you men. That's you, plural masculine. Because the Arabic verb is inclusive of the doer. It's not the case in any English at all. In Persian it is. In Persian, the file is inclusive. Kard, kardad, karde, karde, kardem. What is that? The file is inclusive. For each there is a separate file, for separate verb. Ji?
No, she says God happy.
She has to feel happy. I am conversing.
Example in a Persian you should bring.
Yeah.
Bring those examples.
Deti hai na? She has understood.
We will enjoy it.
मोटी जी गल करती है ना जिन्नी की मैंने आंदी सी उन बहुत ही तस्वीर जाऊंगा तो मैं ही पढ़े जाऊंगा इन तंसुरुल्लाह यंसुरकुम if you help Allah, Allah will help you. In tansurullah yansurkum. Allah, if you help Allah, Allah will help you. Both, this is the conditional part, conditional segment, and this is the response segment. The condition is also having the lighter madare, and the response is also having the lighter madare. In tansurullah yansurkum. If you help Allah, Allah will help you. In tuqridullaha qardan hasanan yudha'ifuhu lakum wa yaghfir lakum. See? Surah Taghabun. In tuqridullaha qardan hasana. In tuqri du, not duna. In tuqri du Allah qardan hasanan. Then you not yudaifu, yudaif. Who is object? Verb stops here. Yudaif.
But in Quran is written together.
It is always because that is attached pronoun. It cannot stand alone. Yudaif, the verb ends here, then the attached pronoun. Yudaifhu lakum. Yudaifhu lakum. Allah is maf'ul and يضاعفه لكم. وَيَغْفِرْ لَكُمْ. And yaghfir, this is the second response to the condition. And yaghfir, not yaghfiru. Wa yaghfir lakum. In tuqridullaha qardan hasana, if you give Allah a goodly loan, yudha'ifhu lakum, Allah will multiply it for you and forgive you. Yes, Mazu Sifat and then Maful of Tuqridullah. Second Maful. If you give Allah what? Qardan Hasana. If you give Allah a goodly loan. So there are two Maful. One is to whom you are giving and the other what you are giving. Both in Nasab form. Allah is also in Nasab form. Qardan Hasana is also in Nasab form because Maful.
This is how one recognizes the second maf'ul.
Yes. By meaning that, though this is Nasab form, you will have to think of only the possibilities which will have Nasab. And there is no other possibilities except, and by meanings also. When you do, in the transitive verbs, you have two maf'uls. Give me the pen. Give me the pen. Giver is you. You are the giver. And I am the receiver. And what I have received, that is also maf'ul. So, in tuqridullaha qardan hasanan yudha'ifhu lakum wa yaghfir lakum. This E because of tajweed. The next.
The ayah before that was in what surah? That was Tagaboo. The other ayah was in what surah?
Say it again, please.
This was in Surah Tagaboo, right?
Surah Taghabun.
Yeah. The first ayah, what surah was that in?
Oh,
From Surah Muhammad.
That's Surah Muhammad. In tuqridullah qardan hasan. Then next is lam. Excellent, excellent. Lam.
Is it just lam or alam?
No, lam. A is interrogative. A and hal for interrogation. Lam. Remember, the lam in the previous chapter, that was never, will never. This is did never. You know, madare is related to present and future tense. But what happens here? It pushes to past tense and with never, never ever did. Lam yalid, he never ever begot a son. Walam yulad, and never ever was begotten. So lam is never ever did. Lam never ever did. You know, did it to indicate that this is past tense. Lam yakunil ladhina kafaru min ahlil kitabi wal mushrikina. Qul lam tu'minu. Say, you never believed. Qalatil arabu amanna. The Bedouins claim that we believe. Qul, say, lam tu'minu. You never believed. Walakin qulu aslamna. In lam and next is lamma. Lamma, not yet. Sorry. Lamma, not yet. In the ayah I was quoting to you in Surah Hujurat, in the same ayah, next is Lamma. قالت الأعراب آمنا قل لم تؤمنوا ولكن قولوا أسلمنا ولما يدخل الإيمان في قلوبكم. Then وإن تطيعوا this وإن تطيعوا الله ورسوله لا يلدكم من أعمالكم شيئا إن الله غفور رحيم. You know, in the one ayah you have three of them being used. Surah Hujurat, ayat number 14. Ayat number 14. Not, sorry, 13. 13 or 14? 13 or 14. Anyway. Surah Hujurat. Since this is not Dr. Zakir Naik who can just tell you the ayah number, alhamdulillah, he is amazing. He memorized the Quran with ayah number, which normally Hufaz don't.
I didn't teach my son. He knows that. I wondered. Yeah. He knows.
No, it's a tendency.
I don't know how he did it.
So, in Tutiullah wa Rasulahu, then in Lamma, not yet. Then is Lam for desire. Lam for desire. Lam imperative or Lam for desire. Lam imperative or Lam for desire. Yeah. Mostly it's with kasra. No, that is Lam but having the meanings of Kai, the previous one. Liyuzhirahu. But this is the other one. This is actually, I'll tell you, mostly it doesn't appear like that. Wal wa'alallahi falyatawakkalil mu'min. This is that Lam. I'll tell you in the uses. So Lam for desire. When you desire something from the third person or first person, let him do so. When you have to say, let him do so, how would you say? Liyaqula. Sorry, liyaqul. Liyaqula is so that he says. Liyaqul, he should say.
No, harfajar. That is harfajar.
I am erasing this. Now coming to Lam. Thank you. No, that's all. Thank you.
Right.
Oh, no. Lam, you know there are many Lams. Lam was harful jar. Lam is for emphasis. Lam with fatha having no effect on anything, that is for emphasis. Innal insana lafi khusr. Layum badanna. That is for emphasis. Lam with fatha having no effect, that is for emphasis. Lam followed by the lighter madare, that will be the Lam having the meanings of Kai. That is called Lam Kai. Right? So this is Lam for desire. Mostly it is with kasra and followed by the lighter madare. But practically what the Arabs do, to avoid a confusion, they will add a waw or a fa before this and make it sakin. Wal or fal. Wal or fal. Wa'alallahi falyatawakkalil mu'minun. So, on Allah alone, they should trust. The mu'mins should trust Allah alone. وَعَلَى اللَّهِ فَلْيَتَوَكَّلِ الْمُؤْمِنُونَ. Yeah. وَلْتَنْظُرْ نَفْسٌ. Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu ittaqullaha wal tanzur nafsun. Every individual should see maza taksibu ghada, what he had sent forth for tomorrow. That is wal. So this is basically lam with kasra, but to avoid confusion, it usually appears with fa and waw, and lam has become sakin to appear like wal and fal. Fal yuminu, wal takunu, wal tanzur nafsun, like this. Very interesting. You know, as I said, now since the examples will come side by side, now Arabic will be interesting. Inshallah, there is no boring Arabic anymore.
Mahfuz, sister. Bring Mahfuz.
There's no more boring cases.
No problem, even if it doesn't understand, no problem. Let him
No,
sit.
he knows. Yeah, he knows some. I even don't get a lesson.
So, wal tanzur nafsun maza taksibu ghada, and let an individual see. This see is mean to think. Let an individual think, consider. Maza taksibu ghada. Maza ma qaddamat lighad, what he has sent forth for tomorrow. And this ayah of Surah Hadid is, which you are saying now?
That's why Luqman.
Oh, Surah Luqman. Maza? No, idhar nahi aanda. Oh. Maza taksibu ghada wa ma tadri nafsum bi ayyi ardin tamut. Lam to nahi aaya na. There is no desire there. There is just a description. Is that clear to you? So this is basically the lam for emphasis, but the recognition is that whenever you find, you know, as I said, the normal form of ism is rafa. Whenever you find ism in nasab or jar form, there must be a reason. You have to look for that and you will find it, inshallah. If it is not written, you will assume. Similarly, whenever the madare is in altered form, lighter form, there should be a reason. Either there will be a written reason, or otherwise you will have to assume, though such and such harf is mahzuf here, is hidden here, has not been mentioned. Like, I gave you the example, Rabbana. Rabbuna is normal form of Arab, our Lord. But Ya Rabbana. Now, you don't have to say Ya. Simply Rabbana will make you think that since it is in nasab form, so it is Allah Almighty is being addressed. Abdullah is Abdullah. But oh Abdullah, Abdullah. Because the ism has shifted from rafa form to nasab form. So since it has shifted, it must have some reason. And that reason obvious is that it will be the munada, one being addressed. So, see, so is the case here. Yes, absolutely. Kullil mu'minati yaghdudna min absarihinna. Ask the Muslim women to cast their gaze low at home and wal yadribna bi khumurihinna ala juyubihinna, and let them cover their neckline with the piece of cloth that you are having at the top of your head. The khumur. And then what are any other example? What is the next in this ayah? There should be one here. Wala yubdina. No, sorry. That will be because that is yubdina, noon is there, so that is normal form. And they will not cover, they will not allow to get their zinat be exposed. Next, but within that, mashallah, and let the mob of the Muslims witness the punishment of the adulterers when they are being having the punishment of 100 lashes. Let a mob of the Muslims see and witness that, so that they have a lesson. That means the public punishment.
A mob, like a group.
Mob. Then a subheading of this lam. For the third person and first person, when you have a desire that let me or let him or let us or let them do this, you will have this. But for second person, you will have even shorter thing. Like in every other language. In English, which is the shortest sentence?
Do it.
Go. Only 2 letters and it's a complete sentence. Go.
Do.
Do. Right? But Arabic is Arabic. Arabic has even more brief sentence. Qi.
Ki.
Save. قُوا يَا أَيُّهَا الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا قُوا أَنفُسَكُمْ وَأَهْلِيكُمْ نَارًا وَقُودُهَا النَّاسُ وَالْحِجَارَةُ. अरबी ज़बान दिमाग किस तरह लाएगी ये अंग्रेजी तो एक हाथ तक गिना हुए तो oh sorry Azar okay. Now for the second person what they do is, now come to this chart, they will do something additional here.
What? Lam?
Yeah, even in this lighter form, remember one thing more. If there is some vowel in the root letters, that vowel will also be dropped. If in the root letters there is some vowel, we have not yet studied that, that will also drop in lighter form. Now, we come here. Only now we have to remove this ta too. You know, the second person is having only ta. So we have to remove the star too. But now there is a problem. What's the problem? The first letter is having sukoon. Now it's hard to pronounce. How to pronounce that? Sur. You know, the noon cannot move. It is sakin. So, sur. So, to solve this issue, they will add a hamza in the beginning, which is called hamzatul wasl. We have talked about such hamza in alif lam. Now the other question, what should be the harakat of this hamza? It shall be dhamma if the middle letter is having dhamma. Like in this case, unsuru, uqtulu, uqtul, like this. But if the middle letter is having kasra or fatha, like taftahu, 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 taftah, taftah, taftahani, taftah, taftaha, taftahu, taftahi, taftaha, taftana, then the hamza will have kasra. Iftah, isib, isma, ijma, Iqra, like this. So you will have kasra. So this is the rule. Then you come to the second person for imperative or the desire from second. You don't call it desire, you call it imperative, a command. The word changes. When you have to give a command to second person, now the harful madari will also be, the alamatul madari will also be dropped.
Only in these cases?
Only in these cases. But if when you drop alamatul madare, the word is readable, it's not doesn't start with the sukoon of first letter, then it's okay now.
I'm getting lost. So when we want to use this lam with this
No. In second person you don't need. Yes, in passive voice it will be used.
No, my question is, we are now talking about this lam, right?
Actually, we were talking about the lam, and in the beginning we said this lam is used for desire from third person and first person. We didn't mention second person. But automatically there was a gap. If you have a desire or you want to ask the second person to do something, how to do that? That is the method. You don't use lam, number one. On top of that, you remove the alamatul mazare too. Now, when you leave alamatul madari and the word is readable, for example, qi, what actually that was? The past tense was waqa and madare was taqi in present tense, normal madare. And when it turned to a lighter madare, it became taqi. And when this ta was removed, it was qi. It was complete sentence because it is readable. Are you with me?
We got that as on phone. He just started.
You know, I told you just now that while making a lighter madare, if you have some vowel letter in the root letters, that will also be dropped. So this ya is a vowel. Hamza, ya, wow, they are weak letters, vowels. So that will also be dropped. So along with this also get dropped already. This was already dropped in lighter madare. Now for imperative, ta was dropped. The only remaining word was qi. Right? And that was the complete imperative. आगे समझ गल? नहीं लगी गल? पल्ले नहीं पई? तारा चेहरा दस रहेगा नहीं पल्ले पई?
Can you repeat the?
I'll repeat for you.
Can you repeat the vowel rule, please? What you said in English, the dropping of the vowel.
Vowel letters are waw, hamza,
Yes.
ya, waw, alif, ya, or waw, hamza, ya. Right? If the root letters comprise of any of the weak letters or vowels, while doing the process of making a lighter madare, that
Drop the vowel.
vowel letter, a weak letter will also drop. So that was already dropped in making lighter. Now to make imperative of the second person, you have to drop ta. The remaining one was qi. So this is readable. This does not need hamzatul wasl. We needed hamzatul wasl here because it was starting with a sakin letter. Noon is sakin here. So hard to pronounce. I said sur. So here is no problem. You can say ki, so it's complete. आगे समझ गया कि मैं समझाऊं? हमजा, वाव और नून एक ही हैं, हरफे इल्लत कहलाते हैं ना, कमजोर अलील हरूफ. They are basically vowels. ठीक है जी? ਜਦੋਂ ਇਹ रूट ਲੈਟਰਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵਾਵਲ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਤੇ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਲਾਈਟਰ ਕਰਦੇ ਕਰਦੇ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਉੜ ਜਾਏਗਾ. ਜਦੋਂ ਹਲਕਾ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੀ ਹੈ ਫਿਰ ਪੂਰਾ ਹੀ ਹਲਕਾ ਕਰੋ ਉਹਨੂੰ. ਜਿਹੜਾ ਵੀਕ ਲੈਟਰ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਠਹਿਰ ਸਕੇਗਾ ਨਾ. ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਨਾ? ਉਹ ਜੋ ਕੋਈ ਵੀਕ ਲੈਟਰ ਹੈ ਉਹਦੀ ਆਪਣੀ ਸਟੈਂਡਿੰਗ ਕੋਈ ਨਹੀਂ, ਲਿਆਦਾ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਲਾਈਟਰ ਬਣਾਉਣੇ ਪੈਂਦਾ, ਉਹ ਵੀ ਉੜ ਜਾਏਗਾ ਵਿੱਚ. Is that clear?
They're actually very complicated, soft thing.
No, go step by step. It's not complicated. If you go step by step, we have short time and we are doing all the things in one day. If you do it day by day, you read one principle one day, you go home and revise it, make your own notes, then come next time, there will be no problem.
No, I'm just talking about soft. It's a book. I mean, you just say 3 sentences to say we completed. not sufficient.
So, this is how to make the imperative. Let's move forward. Hukmiya jumla, fail amr. Imperative means fail amr.
खान दी पई है
Yes, 3 times.
The next is la for negation, not for negation, la for don't. This was lam for desire, and the last one in this category is la nahiya, la for don't. The la for negation is not, that is also law. But if the law is for negation, it will not touch the mazare. Normal mazare will be used. Yansuru, he helps. La yansuru, he doesn't help. La yansur, he shouldn't help. Now the difference is normal mazare and lighter mazare. There will be la there and la here. I write down in front of each other. La yansuru. La yansur. Sorry. La yansur. What does this mean? This is lighter madare with la.
Command.
Don't help. This is he does. He should not help. This is this form. La yansur, he should not help. And la yansuru, he does not help or he will not help. One is negation, one is don't. Command not to help. Desire. He shouldn't help. La yansur, he should not help. And la yansuru, he does not help or he will not help.
If that's command, this is la yansuru, right?
No, that is not command. It is just a statement. Yansuru, he helps. La yansuru, he doesn't help. You know, nafi. Simply आप यूं समझे ना, ये ला नाफिया है, ये ला नाहिया है, नहीं अनिल मुनकर, रोकना किसी चीज. This is la nafiya, this is la nahiya. अमर का उल्ट हो गया ना, नहीं, अमर बिल मारूफ, नहीं अनिल मुनकर. So this is nahi, this is nafi, negation. La yansuru, he doesn't help or he will not help. It's just a statement. Without la, the statement was yansuru. Look at it, sister. Yansuru, he helps or he will help. La yansuru, you have not touched this, only added la. La yansuru, he doesn't help or he won't help. He won't help, he will not help. But here, you have added la along with the change here. So this is he should not help. This is nahiya from nahi al munkar, and that is nafiya, nafi, negation.
La yansuru is la nafiya. La yansuru la nafiya.
La nafiya. And la yansur la nahiya. Now in this case, for don't, this will apply to all. In the desire, the rule was different for this and this and this. But for la, it will be the same. The lighter madare will be used after la for desiring something, someone not to do something. Okay. But for passive voice, the same will apply for desire too. Because in passive voice, you don't directly say. You say, shut the door. But for passive voice, you can't make it that small. You will say, let the door be shut. You see what? Same is the case here. For nahi, the same rule will apply to the whole chart. But for desire, for these two lines, the rule will be different, and that will be the imperative rule. You have to remove this lamatul mazare too, and you have to make it lighter too. Two things together. It may cause confusion to you. Let me correct it now. Now we are coming to la. Come back. Thank you. This may be a source of confusion for many others. Nahya is La tansur, La tansura, La tansuru. La tansuri, La tansura, La tansurna. Ya naru kuni bardam wa salaman ala Ibrahim. Kun was imperative for masculine. Be.